honey soy glazed salmon. I'm gonna make for you and the viewers one of my favorite recipes for my new book, Fast Burn. It's called honey soy glazed salmon. It's really simple. First of all, of course, we have our salmon. So you wanna have, 6-ounce salmon steaks. I like to have them filleted, that's best, of course. You wanna try to get it wild if you can. Sometimes it's not easy to get wild, so if you're gonna get farm-raised salmon, make sure it's responsibly farm-raised. So I have a little small bowl here. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then you wanna have 100% organic honey, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. We wanna whisk it. It's nice. And you can smell the fragrance already. Oh. I would like to put a little salt on the salmon. You want 1 clove of garlic that's minced. Sear it in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When you put the salmon in, you want to make sure that you put the fleshy side down first. And then you should hear it start cooking right away. Okay, so it's about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure it's nice and gold. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks good. Oh, by the way, my favorite skillet, who else but the Rachael skillet? And then you flip it over, and you want to make sure you do the skin side now. Same amount of time, so it's nice and crispy. I love crispy skin. By the way, we had our oven already heated up to 400, so it's ready to go. So we're going to put our salmon steaks in the baking pan. Now it's ready for that great honey soy mixture that we made. You gotta be really generous with this, because why not? This is delicious. Now it's ready to go into the oven, about 4 or 5 minutes. You can just smell it. So this is our finished product.
Bravo, my love, bravo. I'm going to make that for my mom because wild salmon, very important that you said that is her favorite thing. I order ours online, but we all need to buy sustainable seafood. I loved your recipe. Can I say one thing? One little thing? I think I would have just put the garlic in with the sauce and brown the fish. Just be careful that folks don't burn their garlic. But that's my one little thing. That's all.
Okay.
Because you want to bake it anyway, and the garlic will cook in the oven.